Hi, in front of me I have ALCATEL OneTouch Go Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the silent mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the power button. Once you wake up the screen, press the Go button to open the menu. You can scroll through this menu by swiping left or right on the screen. Now scroll to the right side of the menu, and here you have the bell icon. To enable the silent mode, simply tap on this bell icon. It will say vibration off. Basically, what the silent mode does is it will turn off all of the vibrations on your watch. So if you get some notifications on your watch, the watch won't vibrate, and because the silent mode is enabled. And to disable the silent mode, simply you can open the menu again, or if it's opened, you can simply tap on the icon right here again to disable it, and it should say vibration on. And once you're done, you can press the Go button to close the menu like this. And that's how you enable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.